Welcome to this lesson on the fundamentals of quantum computing. Today, we are going to clear up a common point of confusion for beginners, the difference between a quantum algorithm and a quantum circuit. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they represent two very different layers of the quantum computing stack. Let us dive in. First, let us define a quantum algorithm. Think of an algorithm as a high-level recipe. It is a mathematical procedure designed to solve a specific problem, like finding a number in a database or factoring a large integer. An algorithm exists in the realm of abstract logic. It uses concepts like oracles and functions without worrying about how the physical machine is actually built. Now, let us look at a quantum circuit. If the algorithm is the recipe, the circuit is the specific set of instructions for the kitchen equipment. A circuit is a sequence of logic gates, like Hadamard or CNOT gates, applied to specific lines of qubits. It is the concrete implementation that tells the hardware exactly what operations to perform and in what order. To visualize this difference, use the analogy of music. The algorithm is like the sheet music. It contains the composition, the theory, and the intent of the song. The circuit is like the physical act of pressing keys on a piano. It is the mechanical translation of that theory into specific actions. One is conceptual, the other is operational. In practice, we start with the algorithm and decompose it. Look at this example. We might have a single block in our algorithm called the quantum Fourier transform. But when we translate that into a circuit, it breaks down into dozens or even hundreds of individual gates and wires. The algorithm describes what we want to do. The circuit describes how we build it. Another crucial distinction is hardware independence. A quantum algorithm is universal. It works on paper regardless of whether you use superconducting qubits or trapped ions. However, a quantum circuit must often be tailored to the specific machine. If two qubits on a chip are not connected, the circuit must include extra swap gates to move information around. The algorithm doesn't care, but the circuit definitely does. Finally, we measure them differently. When analyzing algorithms, we use big O notation to talk about how they scale theoretically. But when we look at circuits, we count the number of gates and the depth of the circuit. We care about how long the circuit takes to run before noise ruins the calculation. These are physical constraints versus theoretical bounds. To summarize, algorithms are your abstract mathematical recipes. Circuits are the concrete gate-level implementations. Remember that one algorithm can be compiled into many different circuits depending on your hardware. Understanding this separation is key to becoming a proficient quantum programmer. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.